Okay, so we're gonna make a new video today, apparently. Or tonight. It's 11:30, but we're gonna. This is gonna be the start of our CSS series. We didn't do that much in the HTML series. We could have done a whole lot more, but I didn't really want to because I thought that was enough. So there There are two different types of ways to insert a CSS, like to link a CSS file with an HTML file. One way is to link it to an external file. The other way is to embed it in the HTML file. Um, the the external way uses multiple pages, and you have to keep on flip-flopping between pages, and I just find that gets a bit tiring. So I didn't don't really want to do that. So whenever we start CSS, you just need to forget everything that you learned, basically, because it's a whole new format. It's much larger, much longer. So let's get started. First, you need a uh, style tag. That tells the browser that anything inside these tags is CSS or the styling of the page. And so, what we can put here is body. We're gonna here since this page is bluish, let's make it like a really light sky blue. Yeah, okay. So, um, um, you want a background. Oh, not that. Sorry, just can't type today, can I? Background dash color. And so this is called a rule so far. This thing right here, that's called a rule. That's saying that this is a subject and this is what you're going to be doing to the subject. So now this is the information that the changing needs to do to the subject. So one way to do this is putting in a regular color like that, and it'll look like that. But I don't think that looks very pretty. I kind of like a mixture of a color instead of just a single color, so I put in an RGB value. Basically that's just red, green, blue. That's all anyone needs to know. Um, so what you do to insert that is type in RGB and then parentheses, and then since it's red, green, blue, that's the order of the numbers you want to put. So you want to put let's put that's gonna be pretty low, so put in, I don't know, 4. Yeah, okay, 4 comma for blue or for green, that's gonna be pretty high, cause yeah, so let's make that at 70. And for blue, that's gonna be pretty high, so 90, and then close that up. See how it changed? But we want that much brighter. So let's bring that down to 60. See if it gets brighter. Well, it changed just a tiny bit. It was hard to tell. Just change it to 20. See what happens. Oh, okay, that it's getting darker. Apparently, I didn't know that. So we want to increase it to 90, maybe. Maybe 90 will work. That's bringing the green scale up a bit too far. That looks okay actually. Let's bring this up to 20. I don't like that as much. 1. That looks okay. 0. No red whatsoever. Here, let's just bring this to 100. Okay, that looks fine. I think that's fine. Okay. So, So let's now you can basically do anything to the body that you want. This whole thing is at your disposal. But now we're gonna change the we're gonna make a let's make a border around the H1 right there. So put an H1. Oh no, see, I put a tag in. That's just wrong. Okay, sorry. So border. Let's make it 10 pixels, solid black, and then do border dash radius. I think it is. Don't make me. Don't be mean to me if I'm wrong. Here, 5 pixel curve. Okay, so what that should do is see how it's slightly beveled at the end? That's what we want. Okay, so instead of black, let's make that a darker version of that. So we wanna do RG. See, you can do this basically in RGB, and then put about 0, 20, 90, and then parentheses. Okay, so do that. That looks. I think we need it a bit darker, don't we? So 10. I'm still not getting the feel of it. Okay, so 2. Just make it here. Let's just make it blue. Apparently, I think we just need to make it blue. Blue. My neck hurts. Sorry. Okay, so save it. Okay, that's bright-ish. Hurts my eyes actually. Let's take this RGB to just 0, space 0, space 100. Save it. Oh, it disappeared on us there. Oh. Okay, did not save. Not saved. 10 pixel RGB. Let's change. Let's go back here and just make it blue. Okay. Why? Okay, so you're just being mean to me. RGB. 0, space 0, space 100. Okay, that looks perfect. That looks fine right there. Okay, so now what we need to do is take this. I want a really good curve on it, so let's take this and I want a pretty. Okay, that looks fine. Okay, now you know how it's like all the way out there. You don't want that, do you? What you want to do is it's called margin. So take that. Take this margin here. Okay, yeah, margin left and margin right. Okay, so these the margin left, let's make it 500 pixels. It needs to be pretty big, like pretty big. So see, that's how far it brought it. So what's that? About probably 80 pixels ish. So 580. Okay, so I overestimated. Let's change this down to 40. 540 maybe. Oh, okay. That looks okay. That looks pretty good. Okay, I like that. I think I'm gonna increase the margin bottom to 40 pixels because I don't like how close it is to different types of text here. Oh, I looked at that Minecraft thing for 1 second and it just gave me a headache. So let's change that. That's an A tag, an A element. So do that. Um, color yellow. I think yellow will work good for my eyes to be fine. There. That looks okay. So now I want to change let's change the image margin. Let's do margin top and do 40 pixels. Okay. That looks okay. I think that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. This was the beginning of our CSS. So thanks for watching. Please comment any questions you have. Um, uh, so see ya, guys. I guess.